It's a smell.
Is it like an aftershave or is it what's it? Was it like
Oh, body odor.
body
you, get
odor?
The, you get the old
Oh,
man body
man.
odor. The aftershave and the deodorant doesn't help. Oh, yeah.
So, man, when you first started doing jiu-jitsu, I was and compared to now, like what is your mindset of training? Like you suit up, and it was always very inspirational for me to see you like you get your treatments, your cancer treatments,
Yeah.
and then you get on the mat and you'd suit up, and even if you couldn't, because people couldn't grab you, but you would still go on the mat and show up, right? Yeah. And what is the mindset now? Like you had a little injury. Was it like a year and a half ago?
2 years this coming March.
2 years.
Yeah.
2 years ago.
The mindset is to heal, to keep going. For me, I've done all kinds of research. I've had different treatments. They've all helped to a different level.
Yeah.
And it's interesting. Over at TacFit, I was watching her move the jaw in the morning.
Monica, huh?
And I took that one class. It was a little too much for me to start out, but jaw moving. All of a sudden, I realized maybe I should start moving my jaw around. And I don't know what forms of nitrogen in your muscles where you hear the crackling.
Mm-hmm.
And I would move my jaw on the right side, no crackling. And I'd move my jaw on the left, and it would just start crackling the inner upper traps. And so I've been working with that a lot, and now just by doing that and picking up on what I saw at TacFit, I can actually turn my head where if I have to, I open my jaw and it stretches it all out.
There you go.
And so I'm working that. So I'm kind of happy about that. And I still, people think I'm crazy, but I'm still thinking about the no-gi world in 2026. And
so what do the master divisions go up to? What's
the master division? The last one is Master 7. It starts at 61.
Starts at 61.
Yeah, so the last guy I fought had just turned 61.
Okay.
Vegas, yeah. So I was 17 years older.
Mm-hmm.
I don't get it. See, I don't. My mindset is not there. I don't get the difference between 17 years and 78 and 61. It just doesn't register with me yet. Even with my injuries, it doesn't register. And I've got to. I think the only thing registered with me lately is I just got rid of all my striking stuff. Akko got my speed bag at home. We took it down the platform, got some gloves. I gave some Reyes 16-ounce boxing gloves to some of the guys downstairs.
Nice.
They got my fiberglass crotch holder with the, so if you get kicked, at least you got that belt, and I got rid of it all. It's out of my sight. So I'm kind of, the only thing I'm still doing for the shoulders and for the neck.
Yeah.
At the Y, they have a speed bag, so I'm working the speed bag. And then I saw you put one up down here. I was so happy about that.
Nice.
And so I'm doing that, and I do like 2 or 3 rounds to Y every day, and I come in here and I do 1 or 2. And I've done it where you see guys just banging away, and bop, 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 bop. All it does is tighten you up. My secret basically is keep the shoulders loose as fast as you go, and the striking speed is going to be much better for you if you're going to get into striking. But I'm doing it for the mental strength of my mind and my body.
Loosen things up.
Yeah.
Little vibration, little movement, right? Staying loose.
Trying to stay
With the
loose,
movement.
yeah. And plus I'm stretching all the time. It's like my mindset's 24/7. I'll get up in the middle of the night, 1 o'clock sometimes, take a leak and go to the bathroom, and I just pull out the yoga mat, lay it in the living room. I'm stretching and meditating for 45 minutes, sometimes 2 hours.
Nice.
Go back to bed at 3 o'clock.
Nice.
And get back up. So it's, for me, this is important to keep the body. And I can feel the difference now with that.
Yeah, it's awesome.